Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good
Good afternoon.
afternoon. Okay, can you hear you hear me, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
we now have this seminar or session for those who are dreaming to be an IT professional someday. Okay, this would be your basis on what to select. If you select a program on computer science, you just have to listen to our speakers. Okay, to introduce our first speaker is Engineer Eugene Castro. Engineer Castro is a Doctor of Engineering candidate in computer engineering. Obtained also his Master of Engineering in Computer Engineering and Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. Engineer Castro has almost 20 years of teaching experience in the field of computer engineering and information technology. Some of the highlights of his profession are develop and maintaining information systems for Kyocera Circuit Design Incorporated, formerly known as NEC Topan Circuit Design Incorporated, an online production monitoring system for printed circuit boards for computers and mobile devices that is used by layout design engineers. Mr. Castro is a certified Microsoft Technology Associate in HTML5 application development, Python programming, and Java programming. Ladies and gentlemen, my privilege to introduce to you our speaker for the day, the first speaker, Engineer Eugene Castro. Okay, go ahead, Engineer.
Thank you very much, Dr. Eric. So for today's session, okay, so our objective here is for us to understand more if what should be the different tracks that we're going to have if we will be choosing the faculty of the computer information systems for business. Okay, so this Bachelor of Science in Computer Information Systems for Business is a program under the Bangor University. So actually our partner university. Okay, so now just in case that after this presentation and you will be having further more questions, so don't hesitate to email me on this given email address. Okay. So now, before we're going to start, let us study first, okay, and also know if what is the background of this program, which is the BS in Computer Information Systems for Business. So actually, this program is a combination of three different fields. Okay, so we have business, IT, and also management. So usually, if you will be taking this given course, okay, so it is not only focusing on IT, like for example, programming, okay, so software development, web development. Okay, so we have also here like a machine learning topics. Okay, so we will be understanding here the different knowledge. Okay, that is actually a broad area about the computer information systems. Not only that, even in some business processes, because we all know, okay, that every businesses nowadays are already using information systems. Okay, so this is actually a best program wherein you can take, okay, for such specialization, okay, especially on different businesses platforms that uses information system. Okay, so as I have mentioned, this program is not only focusing on business and management, also an integration of IT or an information technology. Okay, so when we are choosing our course, okay, so usually the first thing which actually coming or crossing to our mind is are we going to get a job? Okay, after we will be graduating on this given program or a certain course. Okay, so now, why do we need to choose this program? Okay, which is the BS in Computer Information Systems for Business. Okay, so these are some list of job type, okay, that are actually existing here in Tashkent City. Okay, so you will notice here all of the job type which has a check marks, okay, are the possible job opportunities that you can actually apply into after you have graduated on this certain course. Like for example, as a data scientist, IT manager. So we have also project manager. Okay, so we have also here software engineer. So after your graduation, you can be also a mobile developer, a business analyst, research scientist, data analyst, even lecturer, okay, or teacher. Then user experience designer. So when we say user experience designer, these are the one who usually study the different user interfaces that is suitable for every platforms or application. So web developer, so QA engineer, so it's a quality assurance, software quality assurance. So we have also systems administrator, okay, content marketing, web designer, researchers, okay, so it can be also like a graphic designer and also customer support or technical support. So it only means, okay, when you will be enrolling on this given program or course, so there are actually lots of job opportunities out there wherein we can apply, okay? Then another thing, okay, aside from other job opportunities, okay, so we will be also thinking, okay, does having a certain degree related to IT will going to give us a high paying job? Okay, so actually I have searched different reputable sources that shows that IT is actually one of the specialization of field wherein you can have in order for you to have a high paying job. Okay, so according to a source in investopedia.com, okay, so these are actually the top 20 high paying jobs in the United States. Okay, so if you're going to look at it, most of the jobs are related to medicine. But you will see there that the IT or the computer information systems, okay, is actually on the top 20. Okay, so it only means if you will be earning a degree related to IT or a CISB, okay, or computer information systems for business, so it only means you can actually have an opportunity to have a job which is a high paying job. Okay, so aside from that, not only in the US, okay, so I have also searched some sources wherein showing the top 10 highest paying job in the world. Okay, so these are the top 10 highest paying job in the world according to the website content.ystep.com. And you will see that on the top 10, there are actually three different jobs wherein it is related on this given program. Okay, software developers, we have also training and development specialists, and also database administrators. Okay, then of course, if you just want to know, okay, if how much is the salary potential, okay, of a certain IT people, okay, if they will be having a certain job. Okay, so according to Fox Business, okay, you will see here that it is on out of 10, it is on top 8 that a job is related to IT. Okay, and you will see here that the US salary potential is around 133,000 US dollar. This is in annual. Okay, in UK it's 78,000 100,000 USD. In Canada, 94,000. Then Germany, it's 98,000. So it only means that it is really a potential, okay, on having a certain degree related to IT. Then there are also top 10 in-demand jobs in the USA, which is also related to IT. So according to the site, what career is right for me, okay? So you will see that 40% of the in-demand jobs in the US are actually related to IT, like a software engineer, information security analyst, web developer, and data scientist. Okay? So then, if you will be asking the Microsoft, okay, so based on the source of the Microsoft news, what is the most, okay, in-demand job around the world now, 2021? Okay, so it says here on the Microsoft news, so it is software developer. Okay, so it only means if you will be choosing a course related to IT, so after the graduation, there are lots of job opportunities that is actually waiting for you. Okay, so that would be the different thing that you must consider. Okay, when you will be choosing a certain course to take in order for you to earn a certain degree. Okay, so that's it. So thank you very much. So do you have any question?
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Just I have a question. You showed us a graph, and IT developer and a mobile developer all includes one course for 3 years. We will study,
Yes.
or we will study separately.
What do you mean? So because we have several number of modules wherein you can learn on how are you going to develop a certain application. Okay. So it would be like a generic wherein you can implement that even if it's a web-based, okay, application or mobile application. Okay, so that's the reason why it is also a job opportunity if you will be applying for a certain job which is related to mobile development. So not only that, even in web development.
I'm gonna say all includes for 3 years course. Yes,
Yes, yes,
we can learn all web designer or mobile developer.
yes,
All we
yes,
can learn in 3 years. Yes.
yes, that's correct.
Thank you. Just I thought they are taught separately from second course.
Again, Islam John.
I thought all are taught us separately.
Mm-hmm. You are asking question or you are stating a fact? Are you asking a question?
Doctor, I have
No,
a
no, no.
question.
It's not question.
Sir, I have a question for you.
Yes. Kumo yun.
Will we learn will we learn programming languages like CSS or Python maybe
Yes.
Yes.
Also
from
covered in
second
the
course?
different modules.
Yeah.
There are actually different sets of modules wherein you can learn about programming. Not only that, even systems administration, so web development, okay, so applications development, even artificial intelligence. We have also game development. We have also a module related into that.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so some other question before we proceed on the next speaker?
Okay.
No questions, thank you.
Okay, I think they're done with the questions. The next speaker, I'll just introduce the next speaker, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Natarajan Murugadoss has more than 20 years as IT consultant, corporate trainings around Asia and Africa. Some of the clients are Capgemini, Intel, Motorola, Shell Petroleum, and others, specializing in programming, database, machine learning, and cloud computing. Mr. Murugadoss holds several international certifications from Microsoft, IBM, and Ethical Hacker. Ladies and gentlemen, proud to introduce to you Mr. Natarajan Murugadoss. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Eric. Thanks for introducing me. I am Murugadoss, working in now. Let me share it here. Let me share it. Okay, share the screen now. I think everybody can see my screen, right? Right.
Yes.
I'm a Murugadoss working in MDST for the past six, for 6 years now. I started here from 2015 now. Before that, I was working in Malaysia as a corporate trainer. I was having my own company here. When it comes to business computing with the Bangor University, we have a programs, business courses as well as IT courses. So you will be studying about Linux system, Linux admin system, data management, data retrieval, Python programming. There are plenty of courses of is a part of your Bangor University. But one thing I want to tell you, this Bangor University gives a list of courses, list of models to understand all the concept of IT. Maybe you want to become a web developer, whether you want to become a desktop applications or mobile developer, or you want to be a data scientist, a data analyst, uh, a big data engineer. So these are the courses available here, but they give a full idea about all the models, how you want to become now. But when it comes to me, because I share my personal information, because I have to share my personal information, it's highly confidential. But still, I have to share. I don't mind to share with the students so that it gives a motto, it gives a reason why I studied IT now. Okay. So nowadays, what will happen when it comes to IT? Now the three big areas about we call about data science and data analysis is one portion. Lot of people needed for this time, data science and data analysis now. 2 weeks before also, I was asked from Dubai. There is one company from Dubai asked me, they are in the real estate of buying the constructing apartments, all this one. They want to come with the idea, how many single bedroom, how many double bedroom, how many three bedrooms we can construct so that we can easily sell. So we apply data science now. I give a presentation for them is in Dubai. They are very happy with my presentation and they'll be coming with me. Frankly speaking, here I'm sitting in MDST. I use my laptop, just I use my Wi-Fi. Clients coming from different places now. I told that I'll be working till May 15 and then after that May 15 free. So data science, data analysis, big data is one area. Now the world wants a lot of people from this area. Okay. Then other area is called IoT. That is called Internet of Things now. Is another area that people wants more job from this area. Is a lucrative jobs now. You can get more money now. Then another one is called cloud computing. Is a cloud computing is a very, very, very demanding jobs now. 30 million jobs are available now. I'm talking about the real fact. 30 million jobs available here, all over the world now. You can choose cloud computing from the Amazon, cloud computing from Google, Google cloud computing, then Microsoft here. We have Google, we have Amazon, we have Microsoft here. So when you want to develop here, when you want to make a big money, These three areas are available here. One is called machine learning. Machine learning is something about data science here, data science and data analysis now. For that, you need a programming knowledge, you need mathematics knowledge, you need statistics knowledge now. So you must be in a position to have knowledge from mathematics. That is, the mathematics you study in the foundation is enough. The foundation mathematics is enough now. Plus, we teach you the programming knowledge. We teach Java programming in the first semester, 2 courses now. And second years, we teach also Python programming now. So this knowledge is enough to write a program now for machine learning here. If you want to really do something that I want to make a big money in your life, so IT is the career now. No need to go to USA, no need to go to any places. By sitting at home with a Wi-Fi connections and laptop, and if you have good knowledge, you can make money anywhere. Doesn't matter that you are in Uzbekistan, wherever you want. As long as you have a good internet connections, you can do many things now. Okay, coming to the so we have three areas. One area is called cloud computing. Cloud computing is very, very important here. Cloud computing is one of the area now we have a lot of jobs available here. Then another one is called the data science, data analysis, big data is another area. Is most jobs available here. Then IoT. So IoT, data science, data analysis, and cloud computing. These are the three major areas that dominate the entire IT world. Another 10 years now. These are the now you are the right choice to come inside. So let's see here. Let's share with some of the one because I'll share some of the what I'm doing now. Let's see here. This is a training I did. Can you see my screen, right? Am I right? This can you see my screen, right? Hello, guys. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
it's
okay. Let's
available.
okay. This is a training I did it for Python programming, data science. It's one company called Capgemini. Capgemini is not the students here. They're all already working IT engineers in a company. It's a French-based company. It's a 20 billion turnover company. 20 billion turnover companies. I am a regular trainer for them. All engineering graduates, top engineering graduates from India, but they're all from French-based companies. I do training for them. Okay. Let's I show some of them here. This is a company. I have a plenty of slides here, but I don't want to show you everything here. This is a company. This is called Logitech. Is a US-based company. I taught the full stack developer. That is Java, JavaScript, HTML5, on database side here. These are the trainings here. And this is the training here. I did training for cybercrime for the Malaysian's police department. That is defense department. So I'm a certified ethical hackers because I don't want to tell certified ethical hackers to our students here. When I sell this one here, sir, can hack my Wi-Fi? I want to hack, please can hack my girlfriend Telegram number. I want to see what kind of messages typing. These all come into the pictures. I never show that I am a certified ethical hackers now. Okay. So certificate ethical hacker also is one of the prominent jobs you can get more money. So this is also my certification, certificate ethical hackers club. So you should have a good certifications. It doesn't matter you are from Uzbekistan, you are from India, you are from Singapore, doesn't matter now. As long as you have a good certification, as long as you have a good knowledge, anybody can take you. Any country will take you. So don't feel that I never studied in USA, I want to study in UK, I want to study in USA. Don't have such kind of mentality now. Now the world is different now. After COVID comes, is a different world here. So what I'm saying is, when you come to year one, just pay attention to only to your studies now. The teachers teaching the subjects, everybody is a qualified teacher to teach. They're not like a teacher coming just now, completed degree or master degree. Everybody having good experience to teach for you. Come here, pay full attention for 3 years. After third year, definitely you'll be observed by any Uzbek companies, even starting salary somewhere about 600, 700. That is the reason here. But after 1 year, you can reach 1000 USD. So my suggestion is when you come here, study 3 years, learn maximum from the lecturer side. The lab is always open for you. We have all the software inside here. Only thing is you have to come and study. So we give all the infrastructures, we give all the knowledge for the students, and you can do good things. You can make a very good career in your life now. That is enough now. Okay. So I don't feel that creating website, web application doesn't make a big money now. Now, if you want to make a big money, you study data science programs, data scientist programs here, big data programs available. Then if you want to go for Python side, because I'm a Python certified programmer, last semester also, last January, I give a free program for the year one students here. I have a videos. I taught the videos. I taught the classes, 10, 15 classes Python programming, so that it can be helpful for them when you go for the jobs here. I'll show some of the this one here. Okay, let's see here. I share some of the video here. I share the screen now. I think you can see, right? I can share the screen, right? Let's see here. Screen now. I share the screen now. Okay, this is what happened here last time. What happened here when the COVID comes here, because we are not able to go back to India, I'll be sitting in the hostel after May here. I don't know what to do also. June, July, August, September. How can we can't sit simply at home here? So I thought of something. Why can't I register some website so that I can do online classes for some of them now? This is a website actually. This is a website I registered last year. You can see here there are a lot of jobs. You can see here Python program trainer, computing science, Sabrina. You can see this one here. I'll show some of them now. Inquiry received. You can see this one, sorry. You can see here, they send a message to me. I have a quiz in cybersecurity. I need somebody, blah, blah, blah here. It is for my son. He needs help. So these all the demand jobs available here. All the jobs here. I can give some of my reviews now. I give student reviews now. So I did a lot of online trainings for them. I got student from USA. I got student from England. I got student from Brazil. I got a lot of students from different countries. Why I'm telling is here, if you have a knowledge, you can do many things by sitting in a Tashkent itself. No need to go to anywhere here. You can see here, you can see the comments here. Mr. Chu here, Mr. Das taught my son Python programming for 2 months. Das is a very passionate, engaging knowledge tutor. With his help, my son was able to get high score, 92% for his Python program examinations. I'll definitely recommend for this. These are all my comments here. I teach for degree students. I teach for master degree students. So you can see here, this is a guy from Spain, Jose Ricardo Santos here. So these are all the one here. I can show plenty of things like this one. Why I'm telling is here, once you have a knowledge, you have a good knowledge, definitely you can do something like that. It's a big money. It's a big money actually. We charge you roughly about 25 to 30 USD 1 hour sessions. If you do 2 hour sessions, you can easily get 60, 70 USD by sitting in Tashkent itself. No need to go to USA, work and travel. No need of that kind of jobs here. Only thing is pay attention for 3 years your studies. Plenty of jobs available here. Plenty of jobs available. Nowadays, I fed up now. I don't want to take more classes because I'm more occupied with the MDSC classes. But the jobs keep coming here. I'll share some of the email also. I choose this one here. You can see this email here. Let's see here. I show this email here. Screen. This is the email come to me here. I think the email comes April 24 here. Okay, this one say that you can see here, as discussed about corporate training Azure. Azure is nothing but a cloud computing from Microsoft here. Please find the details here. That they want me to do training for 90 days here. This is a company called CTS. CTS is one of the second largest company in India. The turnover is $20 billion. $20 billion company here. Okay, this sense here, you'll be paying the mode of training is online. No need to go to the client side here. Even you can do anywhere you want here. So training is 9 to 6, 7 here. See the area here, SQL, data modeling, Java programming, database basic, ETL concept, reporting concept, Python programming, big data here. You can see here, before start of the training, you'll get contract and purchase order from outside here. That's all here. So anybody can guess, I'll be doing 90 days training for this company. Anybody can guess how much I'll be getting per day? Anyone? Anyone can guess? Anyone can guess how much I'll be getting for 1 day sessions? I'll be having 90 days session now. Anyone can guess? Yes, okay. I'll be getting 300 USD. I'll be getting 300 USD. 300 USD per day. 9 to 12 o'clock, 1 hour lunch. You start to 2 to 4:30, 2 to finish 5 here. 90 days, you'll be getting somewhere about 27,000 USD. Nothing, man. I don't carry any England degree. I don't carry any American degree. I don't carry any Western degree. I don't carry any Western degree. All right. Only thing is people want your knowledge. People want your knowledge. I have seen MDSC students, they went to England to study MBA for 2 years. They spend some 10,000 pounds or 15,000 pounds, again working to work here, pay the fees here. After MBA, again come back to Tashkent. What is the job? What is your job that you're doing, man? I'm working in logistics now. Right. You went to England to study MBA. After spending 2 years of MBA studies, your MBA doesn't change your life. Meaning is what? You're not having a good knowledge to go to the next level. Again, come back to logistics. To work in logistics, the same degree is needed. Man, why you want to go to England, study for 2 years? Finally, you came here. I went to England. I went studied MBA. Nobody wants what you've done here. Nobody wants, by showing an MBA degree from England, by showing MBA degree in USA, doesn't give any money to you. If you have good knowledge, this degree is enough. This degree is enough to get more money, man. More money here. Just I give one sample here. Actually, I'm not supposed to share this one to the MDSC staff because anyway, doesn't matter now. Why I'm sharing is here. I am the proof. Some people asking what is the guarantee that after studying business computing from Bangalore University, what I can do? I am the proof now. I myself is the proof for this one. But the only thing is everything every day I'll study now. Morning I go to 6 o'clock, take a security key 129. I'll be sitting in my room. 6:30 I'll be sitting in 129. I study till 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. I'll study here. IT is a subject. You must keep on studying here. Once you stop 6 months, 1 year, you'll be in a nobody wants you because every day technology going. But if you keep studying, you can make a big money. If you don't do anything here, nobody wants you. This is a field that you can make a big money compared to other fields now. But I don't want to tell other fields now. If you want to be really interested in computer programming, we have a qualified lecturers, we have a qualified infrastructures. I can guide you how you want your career should be now. Even I'm telling year one students, hey, you have holidays June, July, August, September. 4 months you study cloud computing. Don't go here and there. Don't come September. Nothing like that. You take 4 months studies. So I keep encouraging students. You must study this one. You must study this one. You must study this one, so that you'll have a good future now. Actually, I've done more than 300 trainings from Africa to Australia. So many countries travel here. As on today, I'm having a touch with the industry, what industry wants. So I'll be having one leg in academic, one leg in the industry now. So I know each and side here. Those who are interested study computer programming, and those who want to have something change in your career now. I want to do something bigger. I want to do something bigger. I want to change my life. I want to change my family. I want to change everything now. IT is the area. No investment, nothing investment here, zero investment. If you want to stop, so you want to do any business, you need investment. But when you come to IT, there is zero investment. Just you have one laptop, have proper internet connections. Some of the materials, most materials available in YouTube now. But only thing is, when you get material from YouTube, you must know the knowledge to understand what they say now. If you don't have knowledge to understand, then it's not helpful. So with the zero investment, you can do many things in your life now. So this is all I want to tell about it. If you have any questions, you can ask now. If you have any questions, I ask. Any questions? I can see plenty of things here. I can show many trainings here, but I don't want to do everything here. Let's see here. Okay. So study Python. Study Python, man. Very simple. You study Linux system, Linux operating system, study Python for 1 year. You can do many things in your life now. You can do many things in life. If you go and check it now, cloud computing, Amazon cloud computing, Microsoft Azure cloud computing, okay, Google now. Google, Amazon, Microsoft, the biggest partner in the world now. And this industry will dominate you for another 10 years. That's all. If you have any question, please ask. I'm ready to answer all your questions now. Hey, one year not enough to be like you. No. 1 year not enough to be like me now, because I'm working in the industry for 20 years. But you can start. You can start from some level now. Now, Linux is better than Windows now. So Linux you need it, because if you want to have a powerful system, nobody can hack, then you can go for a Linux system, because most of the applications when you go for industry, it is Linux based one. Okay, Windows is easy to use it, but Linux is beginning you find difficult now. But most of the systems When you go for a real-time applications, they want Linux system. So better have a Linux system. You should have a strong knowledge in Linux now, Linux admin, Linux configuration, Linux maintenance, and 2, 3 programming language, Java, Python here, and 1 or 2 database system. So this business computing will offer all the materials, all the models to change your career, all it. Any questions now? Yes, I mean Python. Yes, Python only. Any other questions? Any question, please?
Yes, I have.
Okay, tell
As
me.
I understood, during 3 years, we will touch
Yes, yes, yes,
everything regarding to the programming.
yes. You'll be learning some operating system, Unix operating
For
system.
example, I can be developer after the graduation,
Yes, yes,
or
yes,
like
yes, 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 yes.
data scientist.
Yes, you can be definitely developers,
Okay,
sure.
thank you.
But what the students will come here, they come with the idea to study everything here, then join with the different students, making group, and deviating from the studies, and slowly deviating first year, deviating second year, and when you come to third year, they lost their jobs now. They lost the track. They lost the path. They don't know what to do. But when you come to computer science, study. That's all. You must study now. You work hard for 3 years. Definitely, you'll be enjoying your rest of your life now. Next, any other questions? No, we don't study hardware, but no need a hardware. There is by studying, we know what is hardware. We teach some hardware here, but we don't nothing to do with the hardware. Okay, we'll be studying only programming and how to write a software here. The machine learning we don't teach here, but Python. If you know Python, you can learn machine language. You can do machine learning. But suppose some people wants to have a special class or machine learning during semester end, maybe we can arrange some kind of extra classes for machine learning. Those who are really interested to become a Python programming for machine learning. That can be done. Any other questions? Any question, please? So I think my presentation is helpful for everybody. So decide whether you want to study computer science or not. So we are there with you. We are here with you to help in all possible ways to come with a good grade and good jobs in the future now. That's all. My experience in IT is more than your age now. Somebody is asking what is your experience in IT. My experience in IT is more than your age now. What kind of examination may expect the students here? These are also some of them may be examination, some of them may be assignments, individual assignments or group assignments or examination. But one thing now, if we have somebody writing assignments, somebody copy, change here, then you cannot become a good programmer. I'm talking very frankly now. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, copy here, spend here. One student writing some assignments, 20 students starting here. One person writing programmer, 20 people copying the program, changing here. Now, no, you cannot become a programmer now. If you want to be a programmer, start writing from the first day, start reading all the materials, try to write program on your own, then you can become a real programmer. I write the program, I give to somebody, he write the program, one person writing the program, 20 people using the same coding, then you cannot become a good programmer. No way, no way. You should have a passion to learn. You have a thirsty to learn. You should have some thirsty to learn this language here. Otherwise, you cannot do. Is a continuously, you must keep on learning here. What we are using 2 years, we are not using now. What we are using last year, we don't use it now. You must keep on upgrading now. Every day, at least you spend 3 to 4 hours to study. Languages are different, but the concept is same. Concept is same, but every language is written with a different purpose now. Okay, you cannot compare Java language with Python. Python language cannot compare with the C# because every language is written with some objective now. I cannot say that Python is better than Java. Java is better than Python because every language is written with some intention and suitable for some application. So that's all. Because sometimes what will happen here, I can find some students here, they study Bachelor of Economics. When they come to the year 3, they feel that I would have studied computer science. I would have taken computer science. Now I studied Bachelor of Economics. What I do with the Bachelor of Economics? Some students I have, they come here. Some students that risk and management. I would have taken computer science. I can do whatever I want now. I can do many things on my own. So some people regret also. But now we are given that. That's why we are giving a kind of discussion so that you can choose what you want now. No, it's not okay. Thanks for everybody for arranging such a program. Thanks for Mr. Eric and other staff members of MDST arranging such a program so that we also have a knowledge. We also have a they are given time for us to explain how the model will work when it comes to Bank University program here. So hope you can choose this program. And you have plenty of life, plenty of careers in life, man. 30 million jobs available in cloud computing. 30 million jobs available. We have certification program. When you come, definitely I'll help you. You study this material, this certification you take. I can give complete career path in academic side. Definitely I can give. Which model, which subject, which course code, where to take the examination, how much exam fees, what is your feature, everything I can give because I know what I'm doing now. I'm not just a typical teaching in the university, just using slides. No, no such thing here. Okay, that's all from my side. So let's come here. I'll show some of the here now. See, this is the one I did for. See here. Uh, these I did for Dell companies now. You can see this is a company for Dell's here. Okay, if you have anything you want to know in the future, maybe you can send email to this one here. This is the MDS here. This is my personal email. You can send me in a personal email. Maybe this one I'll always checking the mail from this one. So you can check. You can send any emails if you want regarding clarifications. Definitely on the same day, the next day you'll get the response now.